Is it time to buy or sell MindBody stock? In this video, we will explore MindBody in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 18th of August, 2025, and we are now here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 13th of August, 2025, our system has identified MindBody as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.34. Let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a loss of 12.31%. This results in an average daily loss of 3.08% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock currently resides in the lower part of a very wide and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents an excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $3.71 be breached, it will initially suggest a deceleration in the rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. Analyzing the present 3-month trend, we anticipate a potential change of 119.1% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 26.76% and 518.53%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 225.63%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 87.44% to 802.4% over the next year. In current terms, this would translate to a future price somewhere between $12.02 and $57.82. Our latest daily update for MindBody includes the headline, High Volatility in MindBody Inc. stock price on Monday, which ended trading at $6.41. The MindBody Inc. stock price gained 80.56% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 18th of August, 2025, rising from $3.55 to $6.41. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 125.46%, with a day low at $3.77 and a day high of $8.50. The price has shown considerable movement during this period, resulting in a loss of 55.36% over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with a total of 12 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 13 million shares were exchanged for approximately $80,650,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $16.40, while the lowest price was $2.73. Currently, the price is 60.91%, or $9.99, below the 52-week high, and 85.91%, or $39.09, below the all-time high reached on the 7th of May, 2018, when the price peaked at $45.50. MasterBeef, often referred to as MB, made its public debut on NASDAQ in April 2025, with shares priced at $4 each. This initial public offering raised approximately $8 million, and in May, the company completed a modest overall allotment that added around 155,000 shares. Since the IPO, the stock has seen gains, but a June analysis highlighted concerns about weakening same-store sales, limited organic growth, and a stretched valuation compared to its peers. This comes despite MasterBeef's strong cash generation and low debt levels. To navigate a softer market in Hong Kong, management is pursuing expansion into Southeast Asia. However, previous filings indicated pressure on revenue, challenges with margins due to rising staff costs, and some divestitures of restaurants. In the short term, continued volatility is expected. The recent jump in stock price post-IPO, along with a modest increase in share issuance, has raised the free float and left the stock susceptible to potential earnings misses or negative same-store sales reports. which could lead to a rapid re-rating. On a positive note, improvements in quarterly trends related to traffic, margins, or encouraging early economics from units in Southeast Asia could lead to further gains. In the long term, MasterBeef's low debt and robust cash flow provide a pathway for growth. However, sustained upward momentum will depend on restoring organic growth, executing the international rollout effectively, and recovering margins. Should these efforts fail, it is likely that the company's valuation multiples would align more closely with those of its peers. Analysts have assigned MindBody stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for MindBody. Volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been issued, and these could affect the near short-term development. MindBody Inc. stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal, indicated by the relationship between these two average signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $9.26 and $11.97. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 23, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 57.94%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 19 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 4 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages gives a buy signal from 4 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages gives a buy signal from 11 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss from MindBody. MindBody Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $6.31. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is deemed to carry a very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.73 between its high and low, which is a change of 125.46%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 69.55%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MindBody, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MindBody. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MindBody is at $7.31. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MindBody faces its first support level at $6.31. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MindBody from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 15th of February, 2019, when Smith Graham executed an insider sale of 70,000 shares of employee stock option, which is the right to buy. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is MindBody stock a good buy? The stock of MindBody Inc. currently shows several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, our assessment suggests that MindBody Inc. is likely to underperform in the upcoming days or weeks. As a result, we have revised our evaluation of this stock from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After reviewing the volatility and trading activity of the previous day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 19th of August, we anticipate that MindBody will open lower by approximately 183 thousandths of a dollar, starting its trading at $6.23. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.